Hey YouTube, just did my house at my mum's place. Oh my god, there's a massive storm in Shorewater. Look at this, guys, it's coming running off. It's not even going down the downpipe. You can see that it's coming down. Oh my god, it was just so windy. It's pouring down. I've got to clean the rest of these gutters out. I'm afraid maybe that maybe things are going to break or trees are going to fall down. It's just chaos here. It's so windy. It's so much rain. It's just starting to die off a little bit, but it's still pouring down. You see the runoff up here. I'm going to go outside. I don't care if my phone gets a little bit wet. I don't care if I get wet. I'm going to do this for YouTube, guys. Man, this is like, it's calmed down a little bit. There's thunder and lightning everywhere. Oh man, there's another lightning strike just then. Far out. Let's wait. That one was a little bit far away. Look at the runoff. Oh my god. Whoa. Well, that's gonna be a river very soon. We got flooding. We got flooding for sure. Oh my god, guys. This is crazy. There's my car. Well, actually my next door neighbor's car. But don't worry about that. Oh my god. Far out. Whoa. Whoa, that was a giant lightning. Whoa, we're getting flooding coming off the back bit here. It's just like coming down here now. Look at this. It's running off. Oh, far out. This is not normal here. I've never seen it rain this much here. It's going to be a river soon. Alright guys, anyone in Perth region, stay safe. I hope this weather doesn't get any worse. Whoa, there's another lightning strike. It's crazy. Okay guys, stay safe, stay beautiful, stay true to yourself. Peace out from Summies Fighter.